How to report a post on Instagram. To get started, first of all, open up the Instagram application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Instagram homepage. Here, you can view posts and stories of your friends or people that you follow on Instagram. On this page, scroll down and explore all the posts. If you did not like a post and want to report it, go over to the top right corner of the post and tap on the three dots. Now tap on Report at the bottom. Here, select the reason why you want to report this particular post. Your report is anonymous. Once you've reported, you can also take other steps shown here, such as blocking, restricting, unfollowing, or muting that account. If not, just tap on Done below. These reports will be used to show you less of this kind of content in the future. Following these steps, you can easily report a post on Instagram.